quick pasta aglio e olio. Ingredients: 8 ounces of spaghetti or linguine, 4 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but you can adjust that to taste fresh parsley, chopped salt and pepper to taste, and grated parmesan, which is optional. Instructions. First, cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Make sure to reserve some pasta water, then drain it. Next, in the same pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the garlic and red pepper flakes, cooking until the garlic turns golden. After that, toss in the cooked pasta and add a splash of the reserved pasta water to combine everything. Mix in the parsley, salt, and pepper. Finally, serve with parmesan if you desire. Alright folks, let's dive into making a delicious taco salad. Here's what you'll need: 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, 1 taco seasoning packet, 4 cups of chopped lettuce, 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Oh, and don't forget the salsa and sour cream for dressing. Now let's get cooking. First, in a skillet, cook the ground meat until it's nicely browned. Drain the fat, then add the taco seasoning and water as directed on the package. Next, in a large bowl, combine the lettuce, black beans, tomatoes, and cheese. Finally, top it all with the seasoned meat and serve with salsa and sour cream. Enjoy!